Hello everybody, my name is Marcus and in this tutorial you will learn how to edit your videos with the Filmora Go on mobile. So all we have to do is just click on Filmora Go and go to create a new video. When we are here, we need to select files we want to edit. So what we need to do is to go to select your file. I got it here in download and it's a drone footage. And now I can choose what part I want to have in my video. So let's say my first part I want to have is the ocean. Okay, like this. And it will end here. This is my first clip. And the second part will be while my drone is flying here, let's say it like that. Okay, add. Now in left here we got two clips we want to edit. Let's go with next. Also, you can choose the whole clip if you want. That's only up to you. Let's go next. And right now we are in. So what we want to do, what you can choose is themes. That's the first thing. And you can put like different edits there. So let's say that you want to have a, I don't know, 80s. And you know it's moving, etc. Also you can do Chaplin. Or even concert. If you're on a concert, this is pretty great. And now fashion. If you are, for example, on a talking about clothes or some new fashion things, this is pretty great theme. Now let's move on. We are going with none because I like it clean. And let's go with music. You can add your own music to video, and I would go like here. And if you have your own music, you can choose it. I don't have right now because I have already in the video, but you can choose like the real with maps. And you can play it and you will see if you like it. Also, if you want, you can just put a part of it there. So let's say the middle 15 seconds and you would get there just these 15 seconds. You get the idea, right? Let's cancel it. Let's cancel it. Now, what I like most about this application is another thing. It's transitions, and I love this so much. Let's go to presets, and now I will make a transition between these two clips. So let's say that I want to make an expansion. And did you see that? So right there. Isn't that beautiful? Or you can also use, for example, distort. Let's see how it looks like. And it's really important to have transitions in your video. You can also use camera. Let's see how it looks like. That's also pretty push. Or even a band side. And that's about it. So you can play with it, or zoom can be pretty. Nah, it's not that pretty. So that's it. And now none. Or no, let's choose. Let's choose preset expansion. Okay. Okay. And now we will have a preset there. And let's move on to ratio and crop. You can cut it if you want or blur it even. And the last thing is to edit tools. This is pretty important. The first thing is to trim clip. It's what we saw also in the beginning, that you can trim it as you want. Also, you can have your own clip there if you'd like to, or just different clip. And you can play around it, etc. Now you can crop it, and this is what I like. Let's say that, okay, I got house here. And now let's go here. I would like to make it like here. And you can press OK and you are in. Let's press cancel. Then you can add subtitles, and this is pretty great feature because, sorry, subtitles. And let's say that you can add here like, okay, ocean. Okay, and you can change the font, you can make it larger. You can edit it with the perfect effects. I really like this one. And I will make it like, okay, let's first seconds. So, and it's pretty, right? Then you got a pip. Pip means that you can put another kind of video or even a picture on the video. It's pretty simple. You will just go here, you will choose this one, let's say, and I can, when it will be playing, it will show this picture here, and you can put something which is like your photo or something like that. Now let's go with voiceover. If you want, you can post edit it with a, let's say that you are recording nature, or you are recording we were recording something pretty, flowers, but there was raining, so you couldn't make the voice, the audio, so you can do it here. You just press tab to record and you are in. Another thing is audio mixer, that you can audio, you can make it stronger. Let's say that you can you want to have your audio stronger than the music in the background. Yes, you can do that. When you have a voiceover, you just slide it way ahead, no music. When you have music, you will just slightly down. Okay, now let's go with filters. This is what I also like. Oh my god, this is going to be beautiful. You can like make with holiday, with golden, violet, cross pro, BW, dandy, bloom. I mean, this is like normal video production, honestly. And you can also make it stronger or not that strong. Let's go with Laguna or even Sunny. Or even Mist. These are so beautiful, right? I like them so much. And that's about it. And now, overlays. I will show you. Overlays means that they are directly affecting your video with something which is shown there. Okay, elements. Let's see, you can, for example, you can put plane there. Or even arrow. Stars. Or even a heart. Let's say that you want to express love to someone and you are going to make him a video that you like him. This is also pretty. Or even leaves. Yep, cancel. And now we are going to move on. titles. Oh my god, you are going to use this one. Let's say that you want to make, and you are going to add the title. Let's go. Let's make it ocean. And this is also really pretty. You get the idea, right? Speed. You can make your videos also really fast. So if you want to speed up really something which is not that interesting, but be careful because the audio, sometimes the audio is not catching up with the video, so we need to be careful. Okay, what speed I got? Okay, normal. Now you can also rotate it if you want, but I don't want to rotate it, but you understand it, right? Now you can adjust it, contrast, brightness, saturation, sharpness. Pretty basic edit. And vignette. It's like more dark. And that's about it. Let's say that we want to press OK. We want to save it. Now it's rendering. By the way, guys, if you enjoyed this video and if it helps you on your journey as a video editor, I'll be pretty happy if you supported me with subscribe, because I really enjoy making tutorials about how to make videos and I love it. And now you got it exported. What you can do is just share it on Instagram or YouTube, WhatsApp, or save to camera roll, or even you can share it to anyone else. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, write in the comments which other applications you're using.